Hi, we're the clean source for a safer and healthier environment. I'm Sharon Reynolds, President and CEO of DevMar Products. Headquartered in Nashville, Tennessee, we're celebrating our 11th year in business. Our specialty lies in developing products that eliminates pathogens in workplaces, hospitals, hotels, and the like. Our vision has always been to become a world leader in the distribution of green and environmentally conscious products. It's really important to us to create that safe environment. Our approach to business is guided by the principles of leadership, inclusivity, transparency, integrity, environmental stewardship, and continuous improvement. With DevMar Products, we partner with Fortune 500 companies all over the United States, and we make a difference in their supply chains. We're the clean source for a safer and healthier environment.